McLaren F1, 1992. The McLaren F1 was a groundbreaking vehicle, featuring a central driving position and achieving a top speed of over 240 mph. It remains one of the most important cars in the history of luxury sports cars. The 1980s and 1990s brought innovations in performance, speed, and design that took luxury sports cars to new heights. Today's luxury sports cars combine high-performance capabilities with advanced technology and environmental consciousness. Here are some key features of modern luxury sports cars. Hybrid technology. Many of today's luxury sports cars feature hybrid powertrains, combining a traditional engine with electric motors for more power, efficiency, and lower emissions. Models like the Ferrari SF90 Straight-Aisle and McLaren P1 are prime examples. Advanced aerodynamics. Modern luxury sports cars, such as the Porsche 918 Spider and Lamborghini Aventador, are equipped with active aerodynamic systems. These systems adjust elements like the rear spoiler and diffusers to enhance downforce and stability at high speeds. Autonomous features. Some luxury sports cars are now equipped with semi-autonomous features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and autonomous parking systems, adding an extra layer of convenience without compromising performance. The modern luxury sports car is a perfect blend of speed, innovation, and luxury, offering drivers an unparalleled experience. Several iconic brands have become synonymous with luxury sports cars, each bringing their unique blend of performance, style, and craftsmanship. Ferrari. Ferrari is perhaps the most iconic name in luxury sports cars.